Hi everyone. So a couple of weeks ago, I showed that we can connect code suggestions up to local models. So I connected up to Code Llama and DeepSeek Code and showed you that that's possible. I thought it'd be a fun exercise to actually do the same with DuoChat and see whether we can connect DuoChat up to local models. So what I've done is I've created an MR for this, but in the extension, if I search under GitLab Duo now, you can actually see a few options. So you can see, first of all, you could turn on local inference for DuoChat. So this, so instead of going to our API, it's actually just going and hitting a local model. I can also set up which local model I want to use. So in this case, I am using DeepSeek Coder, but I want to change this to using Google's latest model, which is Gemma. So I'll change it to Gemma latest. And then also the local inference URL can be set. So this is where Olama is running. And actually, if I say Olama ls, you can see the list of models that's running here. All right, so let's test this out. So this is set up. So I can go ahead and say, how do I change my password in GitLab? And so this is now going to Gemma, and Gemma is actually streaming the answer. And as you can see, it's pretty quick and actually quite relevant as well because our doc's all public. So it's able to, by its training, it's able to really get this information. I can also ask it to, for example, explain code. So I can select this code and say, explain this code. And it's going to go ahead and actually provide an explanation for me of that code. And it actually does a pretty good job of doing that. There are no protections on this model, so I could actually say, for example, tell me a joke. And so normally in our model it wouldn't do that, but here here it'll come up with some sort of joke here because there are no protections. I can actually go change the model also midway. So as I'm chatting, I can go and change my model. So I can say GitLab, and I can change this to, let's say, DeepSeek Coder. Oops. And that's it. And so now I can actually reset this chat and ask DeepSeek Coder this time to explain the code. And because it's a larger model, it'll take a bit more time. But as you can see, it's streaming almost immediately, and it's streaming the results. And there you go. So that's an answer from DeepSeek Coder. So there you go. You can see that in conclusion, we are able to connect GitLab Duo up to local models such as Gemma and DeepSeek Coder quite easily. Thank you.